GreatestTradingTools.com presents an S&P reversal forecast for the date of April 1st, 2009. Signals reflect the following. They're based on the S&P Mini Futures contract, front month. Times are in Eastern Standard Time or New York time, and signals are always provided in advance, but other signals may not be available until a later time and therefore not shown here. CFTC disclaimer: if you risk it, you can lose it. The information provided here is for educational purposes only. All rights are reserved, and you can visit us at GreatestTradingTools.com to learn how we determine our signals and also to get a free report. A quick review of our signals for the March 31st. You can see, as I was mentioned here, that consolidation occurred right here because you have these hourly reversals right next to each other. We had this nice high that we got out of the reversal. That was a great signal for shorting the market. And on the 10-minute, we had a number of signals. Now, I'm not showing any of the signals that were determined later during the day. There was one here and one more refined here. But here we had the high here, low here, high here. This actually was a low. We have the high here in line with the reversal as mentioned earlier. This was a great short for the signals and a great profit opportunity, which provided a nice profit opportunity if you just stuck with the close to $700 on a single contract. So that wasn't not bad at all. Now the signals for the April 1st 2009 are as follows. We have a couple of reversals due first on the market open, and this might be a gap, so don't necessarily jump to the conclusion it'll be a reversal here. We'll explain that in a moment. One between 11:30 12:30 hour, and then also one from 14:30 to 15:30 hour. And if you look at the paper, the list here, you can see in the open we have a reversal. Typically, particularly if you get a reversal on the 10-minute that's rather soon, rather quick, then you typically have this at a gap situation where the market gaps open. But trade it as it appears in case it doesn't gap open. On the 10-minute reversals, we have one right shortly after the open, 9:40. So from 9:30 to 9:40, and I was changing this, and I've obviously changed the wrong time here. So let me quickly change that. And because this is the very first trading time, likely that will be a gap opening, either down or up. And that's likely what this reversal, both on the hourly and the 10-minute, will be. Then we've got a number of reversals. We have one at 10 o'clock, so from 9:50 to 10 o'clock, because my time on the chart's ending time. That's all in line with the first hour reversal. So even though both of these fit within that hourly reversal, likely it's the first one that matches the hourly reversal. But again, trade it as it shows up. 11:20 to 11:30. Which is in line with the next hourly reversal, and that's actually in line with all three of these are in line with the second reversal. So any one of these can match the second hourly reversal. Look to see if that's a high or low, and then trade it according to whichever one's on the 10-minute match it. And then I have one here at 13:20 to 13:30, which is not within an hourly reversal at the moment. And also one at 14:30, which so is 14:20, 14:30, which is in line with one of the hourly reversals, the last one. And so this is there's some of the reversals you can trade. If you want to know how to trade these reversals, I'm going to try to put together a video to give you a little bit more information about that in the next few days, and you can see how that they can serve as a benefit to you. And of course, if you have any questions, you certainly can email me if you like at support@michaeljparsons.com or at thegreatesttradingtools.com website. Thank you. GreatestTradingTools.com presents an S&P reversal forecast for the date of April 1st, 2009. Signals reflect the following. They're based on the S&P Mini Futures contract, front month. Times are in Eastern Standard Time or New York time, and signals are always provided in advance, but other signals may not be available until a later time and therefore not shown here. CFTC disclaimer: if you risk it, you can lose it. The information provided here is for educational purposes only. All rights are reserved, and you can visit us at GreatestTradingTools.com to learn how we determine our signals and also to get a free report.